Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, so I thought I would throw one in. In fact, as you can see, I have some of the things in my bins over there because I already had everything in my fridge put away, and then I decided that I was going to do a grocery haul video and also a meal plan to show you what I have planned for the week. So in this video, I have an Aldi haul, and then I also have a very small Publix haul. I didn't have any meats or anything to get this week. I had quite a bit still in my freezer. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Personal Points program, but I also share calories on my channel as well, and I'd love to have you as part of the family. So I'm going to start down with the fruits and vegetables. So most of these things are 0 points on WW. There are some things that are points, and I'll get to those. Those are mostly the Publix things. I'll get to those after. So this is what I meant about my little bins. I already had all this stuff pretty much mostly washed and put in my fridge. These little containers that I use in my fridge, I got these from Amazon, and they have little things on the top that you just kind of move down or like open or close, put them open if you have fruit in there, and then close them if you have vegetables. So in here, I have the carrots already washed. I've peeled them, already washed them, and I just had them sitting in this container with some water, and I put them in my fridge. That way I can snack on them throughout the week. So over here, I got some apples, some mini cucumbers. I got some avocado. I got some spinach. I've already washed this. I just took it out of the bag, threw it in my OXO salad spinner, and just washed it that way, spin dried it, and put it in this container so I can use that throughout the week for smoothies or things like that. I got some celery, and then like I said, the carrots. Those carrots were actually from a different bag. I got a new bag here from Aldi, and the other one, these carrots were ones that I had to use up from a previous bag. I also got some yellow squash and zucchini. Back here I got a couple heads of lettuce, a thing of broccoli, and also a head of cauliflower. I also got some coleslaw and some Roma tomatoes. And that is it, I believe, for the 0 point fruits and vegetables. Actually, I did also get some bananas, and they're on the counter behind me. I forgot to pull them out. If you can't tell, I'm having to do a voiceover. I lost the sound for both this video and my meal prep. I went to upload both of them and realized the sound was gone. Something must have been wrong with my mic. So I'm doing voiceovers for both of these. I also got some eggs. Eggs are no longer 0 points for me. These are 2 points for each one. And then, of course, if you're counting calories, there are 70 calories. I also got some Parmesan cheese and some blue cheese. These are both 4 points for an ounce. And if you're counting calories, they're each 110 calories. I also got some roasted red pepper hummus. These are the singles. They have little 2 ounce containers in each one. I think this will be good for me. I actually never used to like hummus, and I love it so much now that if I have the whole container, I will just sit there and scoop it out and eat it. So this is good to have these this way. So these are each is 3 points. Like I said, they're little 2 ounce containers. They're 3 points and 100 calories. Then back here, I got some white potatoes. These are just the canned white potatoes. For these, they're 60 calories for 2/3 of a cup, or 160 calories for the whole thing. And for points, you can have 3/4 of a cup for 2 points. So I'm going to throw this video clip in somewhere. Like I said, I had already had everything put away when I decided to do the grocery haul video. So I did get these pineapple chunks and also these blueberries. So that's all the things that I got from Aldi. Those were all from Aldi, and then now these ones are from Publix. So I got some green onion because Aldi was all out of green onion. And then I got these little mini pretzel twists. There are 13 of them for 2 points. And if you're counting calories, it's 120 calories for 22 of them. I got a great big thing of water that we've actually already tore into. And then I got this Good Culture low-fat cottage cheese. This has 14 grams of protein in it. You can actually have 3/4 of a cup for 2 points. I think when you scan it, it comes out half a cup for 2 points, but if you toggle it, you can actually have 3/4 of a cup. And then 80 calories for half a cup. And then I got some Coffee Mate Zero Sugar French Vanilla Coffee Creamer. For this kind, you can have 2 tablespoons for 1 point. If you're counting calories, it's 15 calories for a tablespoon. So that's it for my grocery haul. Now I'm going to go through and show you my meal plan for the week. Okay, so for my meal plan this week, I have my recipe binder here, and I don't even want to show you because as you can see the paper sticking out. I am so unorganized in this. So if you want to see how I put a recipe binder together properly, I do have a video out there. It's a pretty old video, but I'll link it down below. And also, if you're new to my channel, my meal plan, these meal plan papers, I have these also on my website. These are just ones that I threw together. The picture is actually from when I went to the farmer's market and I just took a picture of my fruit and vegetables and just made a meal plan out of it. But I have, this one is Monday through Sunday. I also have Monday through Friday. And then I have like, I think one for groceries, a couple other ones, but I'll put a link down below so that you can go to the website and you can print them out. There's no cost. They're free. When you go to the page on the website, just go all the way down to the bottom and they'll be right there and you can just download them and print them out. So carrot cake overnight oats will be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm estimating those will be about 4 points. If your oats are 0, then it's probably just going to be 1. I don't know the calories for those yet. I will have it by the time I do the meal prep video. And then Thursday, I was going to do Cheerios with bananas and almond milk and a hard-boiled egg. But I think what I'm going to do, since I have the spinach and the pineapple and blueberries, I think I'll probably just do smoothies those 2 days, Thursday and Friday, instead of the cereal. Friday was going to be my BECHAFFLE, which is basically my bacon, egg, and cheese little waffle thing on the Dash Mini Waffle. On the weekends, we don't usually know what we're doing, so I'm planning on doing some avocado egg cups. It's a recipe that I'm trying to put together. For lunches this week, we're doing Big Mac salads. I have a video of Big Mac salad, but I think it's from a couple years ago. I honestly was going to make this in December. I bought all the stuff for it, and then I was just going to make it for our meal prep and not film it since I have a video out there. But that video is a couple years old, so I decided for this week, I'm going to go ahead and film the meal prep with the Big Mac salad as well. So those are 6 points for me. Again, depending what your points are, I'll have the link to the website and that way you can click on and see your points. And for calories, it's 235 calories. And then for Thursday and Friday, I planned on doing tuna salad on lettuce. So that could change, just depends when Thursday and Friday come. So those, I just basically mix a can of tuna with some light mayonnaise. And sometimes I'll put in some, minced celery and also some green olives. I like that in there. I estimate that to be about 4 points. I just put it over a bed of lettuce and that's it. So I'll plan on that for Thursday and Friday. And then, like I said, the weekends, just never know what we're going to be doing. For my dinners, usually I do DIY dinner kits. I only have one dinner kit to do this week because I am doing a Home Chef delivery. I'm having Home Chef delivered this week. So for my DIY dinner kit, it's going to be blue cheese buffalo meatballs. And that comes out, depending if you use turkey or ground beef, I'm going to be using turkey. So it's going to come out to 3 points. And then I think I'm going to do ranch cauliflower with that for 2 points. If you're counting calories, it's 255 calories for the meatballs and 98 calories for the ranch cauliflower. And then Tuesday night, what I did for the Home Chef meals is I built them all into the WW app so that I could figure the points for them. The calories are based on what Home Chef says the calories are on their little calorie card that comes with it. So what I chose for Tuesday night, I'm doing salmon with feta butter and roasted red pepper pesto green beans. That's a mouthful. And I estimated when I built that in the tracker, it came out to 12 points. And then for the calories, it's 510 calories. And then most of the ones that I do, I pick the low calorie and low carb ones. So usually the dinners are right around 500 calories for the ones that I pick. And then Wednesday night, it's going to be chicken and creamy onion sauce with Brussels sprouts, almondine, however you say that word. And when I plugged that in, it came out to 9 points, and that one is 530 calories. And then the next night is going to be bacon Florentine pork medallions with roasted cheesy broccoli. That's going to be 10 points and about 500 calories. And Friday night, I'm planning on my stromboli. Haven't had that one in a while. I didn't put the calories for that one. So that's 10 points for me. Again, these points are based on my personal points, but I'll link the recipes below and you can find out yours if you're on WW and if you're in the US. My understanding is Weight Watchers is working on that for the other countries. And I forgot to put the calories on the Stromboli, so I'll pop that up on the screen as well. The weekends, like I said, it just totally depends on what we're doing. We have steak night usually Saturday night, and then Sunday I might have chicken strips. So I kind of jot some things down there, but nothing in stone. So for snacks this week, I have a bunch of different things, mostly fruits and vegetables. I have carrots and hummus that I'll use. I have apples and PB2. So I basically just cut up the apples, dice them up, mix them with some PB2 powder. I don't put any water or anything, just eat it that way. And that's pretty much it. I have the bananas and I also have the cottage cheese that I can snack on if I want to have a little bit of, like a protein snack. And I think that's it. Oh, and like the cucumbers. So all the fruits and vegetables, those are basically going to be my snacks this week. So I hope this voiceover was okay. I much prefer to talk as I go and not do voiceovers, but things happen sometimes with audio and I'm kind of forced to do these voiceovers. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you all so much for watching. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next one. Don't you know